In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in PrimeXBT account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open PrimeXBT application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here PrimeXBT application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options, sign up and log in. If you do not have the account yet, tap on the option sign up and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log in to your account, tap on this option login. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll either be able to log in with your email and password, or you can also continue with Google. If you want to continue with Google, tap on the option continue with Google. But if you want to continue with your email, tap on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. After you do that, also enter your password. Now after you enter your credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter your passcode. You'll have to enter the passcode that you had set while creating your account. So simply enter your passcode over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in PrimeXBT account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.